Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Ratna and this is yet another cooking segment. Being Easter special, I'll be making butter cookies both on stove top and in the oven. If you're into cooking as well, then please continue watching. Happy Easter to you all. Easter commemorates the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead. On this occasion, let's celebrate it with some butter cookies.
So we will alternate adding and mixing the ingredients to this bowl. Let's get started with the wet ingredients. First, we need 1/4 cup butter and let's mash it. Now we need to add egg. If you don't need egg, then you can add equal quantity of banana after mashing. Now we need to add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Let's now move to the dry ingredients. First we need 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Now we need 3/4 cup sugar. Then we need 1/3 cup corn starch powder. And finally, we need 3/4 cup whole wheat flour. Now we need to knead the dough. We need to grease a board and a rolling pin. Now we need to flatten the dough to 1/4 inch thickness. Using a cookie cutter, we need to cut the dough into circles. If you don't have one, you can invert a glass and use its mouth as a cutter. Now we need to grease a pan. After that, we can place the circles in it. For stove-top baking, we need a non-stick pan with a stand at the center. I'm using a tiffin box lid, and on that, we can place the cookie pan and cover and bake for 30 to 40 minutes on low flame. The cookies are ready when the base turns light brown in color. Now we can take the pan out and let it cool. For baking in the oven, we need to cover a baking tray with aluminum foil and grease it. Then we need to arrange the circles in the tray. Following this, we need to place it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. The cookies are ready and we can take them out and let them cool. These cookies are very buttery and I hope you'll make it.
So today's segment is coming to a close. If you found this video useful, then please do subscribe. If you would like channel notifications, then press the bell icon. If you recently subscribed to my channel, then thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in another segment. Until then, take good care of yourself. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.